Today, we will see how to create a pivot table. So let's start. In our dataset having columns month, product, quantity, and value. Now before creating pivot table, we will convert this dataset into table format. After converting to table, we can change the table style from Table Design tab. Remove filters from table headers. After selecting Table Range, go to Insert tab. Pivot Table Options. Select Location to existing worksheet. After creating pivot table, drag the values in Pivot Table field. Copy the same pivot and paste below. Replace the Pivot Table fields to value. Add new month and product to data table. Go to Data tab. Click Refresh All. See the magic. Pivot table automatically refreshed with newly added data. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.